Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Screenflow 9. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to ripple delete. Ripple delete is by far the most commonly used technique that I use in every one of my videos, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in Screenflow 9. If we look at this clip right here, you'll see there's a little recording, then a big blank spot here, and then some more recording. I want to get rid of this middle section. We could drag the scrubber and hit T to split the clip, and drag it to the other end, hit T to split the clip. Now I could just delete this. But now I have this space in the middle, which I could click in there and delete it, click in there and delete it. But that's way too many steps. This is a job for ripple delete. So first I'm going to make a selection. I'm going to drag the scrubber to where I want my selection to start. I'm going to press the Shift key. I'm going to click on the top of the scrubber, and I'm going to drag out a selection. So I want to delete everything under the blue diagonal lines. And when I use ripple delete, Screenflow is going to automatically delete the clips and also close the gaps by bringing everything to the right of the scrubber to the left, so there are no gaps and it's all done in one smooth process. The easiest way to apply ripple delete is to learn the keyboard shortcut Cmd Delete. So one more time, I have a selection made. I'm going to apply ripple delete by pressing the Command key, then tapping on the Delete key. If you forget the keyboard shortcut, you can always make your selection and go to the Edit menu, and you'll see Ripple Delete, and there's that keyboard shortcut, Command Delete. So one more time, I'm just going to drag the scrubber, press the Shift key, drag out a selection. I'm going to apply Ripple Delete. Screenflow is going to delete the clips under the selection. It is going to close the gap and pull everything to the right of the scrubber to the left, right where your selection starts, so there are no gaps. So here we go, Command Delete. You'll see everything to the right got pulled over, there are no gaps, and this is a really fast way to edit. You can just go down your timeline and just delete things. Command Delete. Make a selection, Shift, drag out the selection, Command Delete. Shift, drag out the selection, Command Delete. My name is Mike Murphy, and that's how you use ripple delete in Screenflow 9. Cheers!